Friends, TUXX here. You know, I've had a number of Corvettes over the years, and I've had people ask me, hey, TUXX, do you have those Corvette sunglasses? You know, and I've been seeing a rise of them being advertised on Facebook and different places. So I have before you the actual Corvette sunglasses, which are frequently advertised on social media. So I wanted to show these off to you. This is how they come. They come in a little case like this, kind of like a little banana case, if you will, with a little clip here. I do like the way it has this, although I wish this was metal. This is plastic, just full disclosure. It is nice and springy though. It looks like it's pretty solid. It's not going to break or anything, but it is a plastic clasp. And the case is nice enough. You know, it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and dive into the glasses here and see what's going on. I really do enjoy Corvettes, and I don't really wear a lot of Corvette-like clothing, jackets, or anything like that. I don't have a Corvette jacket. I think I have like one or two t-shirts I wear, like around the house and stuff, you know. But anyway, we'll see. Maybe this will be my new go-to pair of sunglasses, you know. Checking it out, they come with a little cleaning cloth. We'll open these up kind of in order here. Let's see. So we have a nice little cleaning cloth. I always like it when they come with this, you know, either, you know, professional prescription glasses or sunglasses. But nice little touch, feels soft, feels like it's good. It's a good size. You can see right there. I think this would do the job. Very silky too, you know, so it's nice having that. Whenever I don't have a cleaning cloth, I'm always worried about scratching the lenses with some rough paper towel or something. My dove is cooing like crazy. She wants her own cleaning cloth. We have the sunglasses here. I'll save this for last because there's a little free gift in here I want to show you. This was not mentioned anywhere in the ad or anything, or I wasn't told this is being sent to me, so I'm really surprised. It looks like there's a nice metal keychain, actually. Let me open this up here. This would actually go onto my key ring. I think I'll carry this around with me. There's no problem there. It is nice and metal, so I like that. Very good. This is a C7 appropriate emblem too, which is nice. They have different ones, different glasses with different Corvette symbols. You know, the symbol changes a little bit from generation, you know, 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. So this is the correct C7 emblem, which I have on mine, although on my car it's like the blacked out version where it's not chrome, it's black. But very cool. I like that as a free gift. Metal ring, metal chain. I'm not sure about this chain, how long it will last, but that is a pretty nice looking little Corvette symbol. So yeah, as far as a free gift goes, I'm digging it. That's really cool. All right, let's go ahead and lay this down here, and then now, oh boy, the moment of truth. Oh, there's some color in here. Wow, that's interesting. I didn't quite expect that. All right, let's check this out. I usually wear like the aviator style glasses. Usually they're black or brown lenses. So this is blue. This is going to be a little bit different for me. Let's check this out. We'll pull this off here. They feel pretty good quality, actually. Looking at the lenses, you can kind of see what that looks like. Nice and blue. It's hard, in the lighting of this room, it's a little bit hard to catch the full blue. And check out, there is a little emblem for Corvette right there. Almost metallic, like the rim here, the frame is kind of a metallic silver, as you can see, with a orange accent. It is springy. It is plastic, or, boy, man, it feels... No, it feels metal. It feels like aluminum. Oh yeah, it's aluminum. It's not plastic, so that's nice. Aluminum frame. You can hear it too. So aluminum. It feels good quality, actually, guys. Like, yeah, I'm digging that. The lenses are very, very thin. Okay, I lowered the camera here. I really want you to see the blue. This has a really bright, beautiful blue color to it. Very, very cool looking. It's really hard to get, again, with the studio lighting in here, the reflections and such. It's very difficult to show off this blue, but you can see it's even so bright, it's like reflecting back onto the ground below it. See that, like, reflection there? Very bright, very reflective, very excellent looking blue tone, so loving that. Well, it's nearly impossible to really show off polarization in a video which is edited, you know, compressed, uploaded, and sent to your phone or device, your computer. I do want to give you a little sample of what it kind of looks like. It's really a nice brown tone, which, you know, I like blacks and browns when it comes to tints. And you can see here where there's my Avion water I'm drinking, and there is the tint. So even though the lenses themselves are very bright blue, as you can see, like reflective blue, it does give you a really nice brown shade. So it looks excellent for driving conditions and really can help you a lot on the road. Okay, I had a chance to wear these in a variety of atmospheres, both from natural sunlight to looking at computer monitors and various types of LED lighting to see the level of polarization. I have to say these are polarized. They look great, actually. I was very impressed for the price point. It's a really good deal, and it definitely does help your vision. Now, the most impressive thing I found about this, and also my biggest fear about this, was would they be pinchy? Okay, like Oakley's are notorious for pinching on your scalp and really being kind of uncomfortable, to be honest with you, as popular as they are. But I was very happy to report these have a good amount of springiness to them, and no matter if you're a teeny head or a big head, like they can really accommodate a lot of sizes. And unlike Oakley's, they don't feel pinchy around the back or the sides or the nose. They feel very comfortable. Like I could totally see myself going on like a long haul drive from the Florida Keys up to Fort Myers or Orlando or something, and being very comfortable wearing these. I would say that, you know, my prescription, obviously our prescription, you know, so they have that going for them. But as far as comfort level goes, these are more comfortable than my prescription sunglasses, and that says a lot, you know, especially for the about $50 price point, you know. So that was really cool. I think the only opportunity, if I was to say something like a good opportunity for the vendor, would just be, I kind of wish this Corvette logo was a little bit more like crisp in its etching, you know. And I know it's probably really hard to get that logo on there. In fact, if anything, maybe not have it there, but maybe have it on the aluminum frame or something. But the frames feel great. Just everything about this is a really great package for the price. And the fact that you get a nice little case, you get a little cleaning cloth, you get a little keychain. The keychain, again, is a really nice, like, metal. This is a metal keychain, so there's a lot of quality in all this. The case itself, I wish it did have a metal clip instead of being plastic, you know, but it's a nice little banana case, and I think it'll keep them nice and safe, and you can easily clip it to a backpack or whatever you want, you know. So in conclusion, you know, are these worth it? Yeah, these are totally worth it, guys. They're not that expensive. They look great. They will help you drive better because it'll be clear in the big, bright world out there. You know, it will help reduce those harmful rays to your eyes. And also, it'll be really comfortable. And that's really important. I've bought really expensive Oakleys before, and I've been really unhappy. Boy, I'm using really a lot. I was really unhappy with how they pinched and how uncomfortable they were. And I couldn't wear them for long periods driving because they were just so darn uncomfortable. They look cool. The case was cool. It was metal, you know, but they were so uncomfortable. And really, you got to be comfortable, guys. You really do, especially if you're driving. You don't want to be driving and have your mind taken off the fact that you're going, you know, over 100 miles per hour or 150 or whatever. Corvettes go up to 200 or more, you know. So you don't want to be having your mind on the fact that these are your sunglasses, your Oakleys or whatever brand you wear are pinching you. You know, you want to have your full attention on the road because you don't want to flip that darn car, you know. So you don't want to wreck your vet. So anyway, guys, I would say it's a huge win. Again, not that expensive. I'll have links down below for you. If you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? All right. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.